How to fix Instagram DMs not sending. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So first of all, simply go ahead and open Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you open up your Instagram, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're in your profile, simply tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. Now once you're here, scroll below and then you'll find a creator tools and controls under for professional. Tap onto it. Now once you're inside here, simply tap on minimum age. So if your minimum age is set incorrectly, this could be the reason why you are unable to send messages. If your minimum age is set to something like 18 but you're older than that, then select remove to eliminate the age restriction and then tap on done at the top right corner. Now once you do that and try sending a message again, it should work properly. And that's how I do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.